Fashom July 2019 for over 40s. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Michelle from Mascara to Midnight. I love fashion boxes. They're so great. The problem is I know a lot about makeup. I know a lot about skincare and hair. What I don't know is fashion. And I find these boxes amazing for someone like me that doesn't really get how things go together. I don't really get what looks good on me. I don't understand my body type. I hate everything that I put on. But I get these fashion boxes and I have a stylist trying to help me. I've got you trying to help me. And to me, that having that guidance goes a long way when I have no skills with fashion. Fashom is a fairly new company for clothing boxes. What I like is that you start off by getting 2 free trial boxes, 2 free stylist fees. I do like that because you don't know if you're gonna like the prices, if you're gonna like the styles, if you're gonna like the clothes. My first box I loved. I kept everything but one dress, and then after I sent it off I was like, should have kept the dress. I will say that this is one of my favorite boxes, and I have received quite a few of the fashion boxes. Stitch Fix and this one are my 2 favorites. It says believe in yourself and you'll be unstoppable. And then it gives you instructions on what to do. And just like Stitch Fix, you get a bag to return everything. I find the prices through Fashom really, really reasonable. And that goes a long way in wanting to keep stuff. Don't you agree? There was no note in this, I guess. Yeah, I guess you don't really get a note with Fashom. No. No note. I mean, not quite as personalized. We've got some pants. I love these style of pants where it's just got the waistband that's elastic. Oh, these are knickers. These are not even capris. They look like they're way short. I know that probably everyone's gonna tell me not to get these. 12 petite. All right, I'm excited to try those. It's all right if you don't like them. Tell me the truth. Fun sleeves. Not sure that this is my style, but we'll try it. This is cute. I like this. I like the color. Not loving that sleeve though. Nope, I'm not liking this. This is odd that I'm getting this and it's summer. I feel like no one paid attention to what I like for that.
Like these a lot.
These are perfect length. Not sure I'm loving that. Be right back. What do you think? Be sure and let me know what looks good, what fits right, what I should wear together, what I should keep. I love hearing your comments. It helps me to decide. I'll see you real soon. Bye.